Welcome to the course on setting up environment for C++ development. In this course, you will learn how to install a C++ compiler and an integrated development environment, IDE, to kickstart your journey into C++ programming. C++ is a powerful programming language used for a wide range of applications, from system software to game development. To write and run C++ code, you need two essential tools, a compiler and an IDE. Let's dive into the process of setting up these tools on your system. GCC, New Compiler Collection, is one of the most popular C++ compilers, known for its reliability and performance. Here's how you can install GCC on your operating system. Windows. Download and install MinGW, a port of GCC for Windows. Follow the installation instructions provided on the MinGW website. macOS. Install GCC using Homebrew Package Manager. Open Terminal and run the command brew install GCC. Linux. Use your distribution's package manager to install GCC. For example, on Ubuntu, you can run sudo apt get install build essential to install GCC. After installation, verify that GCC is correctly set up by opening a terminal, command prompt, and typing G++ version. You should see the version information printed on the screen. Visual Studio is a comprehensive IDE developed by Microsoft, offering powerful tools for C++ development. Here's how you can install Visual Studio on your Windows system. Visit the official Visual Studio website and download the installer. Run the installer and select the Desktop Development with C++ workload. Follow the prompts to complete the installation, making sure to select the desired components and options. Once installed, launch Visual Studio and create a new C++ project to ensure everything is set up correctly. Visual Studio provides a rich development environment with features like code debugging, IntelliSense code completion, and project management tools. Code. Blocks is a lightweight and customizable IDE that supports multiple compilers, including GCC. Follow these steps to install Code Blocks on your system. Download the Code Blocks installer from the official website. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. During installation, choose the appropriate compiler, e.g., GCC, and configure any additional settings as needed. After installation, launch Code Blocks and create a new C++ project. Write a simple program, e.g., Hello, World, to verify that the IDE is set up correctly. Code Blocks offers a user-friendly interface and supports features like code folding, syntax highlighting, and project templates. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your environment for C++ development. Now it's time to start coding and exploring the world of C++ programming. If you encounter any issues during the installation process, don't hesitate to refer to the documentation or seek help from online forums and communities. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep coding and experimenting with different C++ projects. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short lesson, and best of luck on your C++ programming journey.